how you can install IPTV on your Roku TV. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it. So let's get started. First, turn on your Roku TV and grab your remote. Press the home button 3 times, then up twice, right once, left once, right. Once, left once, and right once again. If you did it right, a special screen called the Developer Options menu will appear. Now you'll see an IP address on the screen. Write it down because you'll need it later. Then choose Enable Installer and Restart. Read the agreement, click I agree, and create a password. Remember this password too. After that, your Roku will restart. Next, go to your computer and open a web browser. Visit my.roku.com and log into your Roku account. Once you're in, find and click on Add Channel with a code. Type in IPTV Smarters and click Add Channel. When a warning pops up, just click OK and then Yes, Add Channel. After that, download the IPTV Smarters file to your computer. Save it somewhere you can find easily, like your desktop. Now, open a web browser on your computer and type in the IP address you wrote down earlier. A login box will appear. For the username, type RokuDev, and for the password, use the one you created earlier. Click Sign In. Then click Upload. Find the IPTV Smarters file you downloaded and select it. Click Install. Once it's done, go back to your Roku TV and you'll see the IPTV Smarters app ready to use. Just open the app, log in with your IPTV details, and you're all set to watch your favorite shows. And that's it. That's how you can install IPTV on your Roku TV.